omo bo krono ewe yewura mahama na benso brebi atwam yewura mahama be di akonya this time, even though he has promised say he was coming in power to make sure so obey justice aye adwuma on nkrofo a omo adi oman no awu anase omo abo oman no krono. Abusi asem na enwa esan so yesere se ne dedu ame no kasai nkrofo akene John Mahama bedi akonya na yedi omu gina court so omu abokro no nyina. I can tell you on authority say yewura Mahama ne nkrofo NDC fo atumi ahwe Ghana fo nyina nim omu atimi abomodren ahwe Ghana fo nyina nim ajai sa akromfo no nyina tiemiye pa ene de ya me no kasai enkrofo ano omu abokro no ayede wona asem akokotwa asem na yede omukoye no judge fo ano omuti akondwam sa abre no omu nyina atumi nya adaje hwehwe enkrofo no niemam eba abontembe ka se enkrofo wa asem yi ano omu abokro no omu ho bon ewo kro no bom no yewura Mahama bae no o se sa nkrofo no omu ni case na die twa akomakura mponi se enipa court ayedan ati na asem asentence se no amana dwan Africa na mamu because onim se odi for NDC abanye timi abomodene akofa na ba edina baga na mamu aba beja no se onanti free onko oni boni bia. Now listen to me very carefully. Yeba bedin komo pa. Yebedin komo e won nsem we ho pa. Eni nti ene mabaha. Na yewura Mahama she Ghana fo bobi. Me pese ye nyina ye nti sa abo na papa na de share ye no. Ye wi a na ya to aso e wo ha ya. Enkoba bia fa onsa si like bottom no so akoma no mane enkosoro sa share video no na ja o comment so na mehu na menchiao me den chia kese ma ele kedunsia me me wakwa bapa yentie yewura Mahama promise bi o ma ye yefiri ho a ne ya bo wura ensem no emu.
Much better president than even the first time when I was president. One, because of the experience that I've been president before. And two, because I have had the opportunity to reflect on my period of time as president.
You get it?
And it gives me a focus on the things that we need to do to turn around the fortunes of our country as quickly as possible.
Pajotin yepa. Me am saltin yepa. Video me bochire wu ye yewura Mahama na ogina dom anim. E na o ka kire Ghana fo se yento aba ma ne mra medi Ghana manso o yento aba ne mra medi Ghana manso adentia o se ono no wadi president pen temiye pa o se akonwa na watena so pen na nyankopon adom no ama na nyanyimde akotena abontene ahwe ahu kwanya sabio ya faso bu oman ene niema bi oye ne woni breso a na ensem fata enti ya mana akwanya na oba obaye de ese ne fata bia na ama oman wei atumi akodanim na anya brepa babi pa agina ewo wiase ayetimi minya ba di ma on se da bia me kasa me se ensem bia ne promises bia papa ne de ma yen abra na omo position no sansem no eya ama mo mfa ne mo mfa ne fra anase mo mfa ne hare mu emu eduru pa unim de ntia because he is an experienced person what di o minor ni mu pen enti na onim bibia onim ɔman no sɛdeɛ ɛsitie ɔman ne baabi a yɛakɔ akɔhyɛ ɔman no yɛ fortunes ɔman no yɛ ahoɔdene ɔman no yɛ weakness baabi agyina papa no na onim ne nyinaa ansa na ɔmmake those promises no Intimate, I hold this man accountable for any single promise that he made. Because Okano, with consciousness, Okano, with experience, Okaye, Abra no nim de Oka, Okaye, Abra no nim, said the yaman way, is here. And the assembly papa we can ye piano. Me, I hold him accountable to come and count for us. Na eye official bacho muntem ye pa eye official se papa na gu ne ho anim ase asen agu Ghana man anim ase amfa nim de amma Ghana man tem ye pa se wo ye Ghana ni ba eni kwan se wo feel respected by your president himself John Dariga Dramani Mahama Wamfa buo amma bia wamfa nidie amma yemu bia papa no actually yen say in fact he has no respect for any Ghanaian especially one a wokoto aba edema no because papa no wo respect the man one a wokoto aba edema na and can promises no he would have kept them he would have shown something of commitment. Say assembly or biano, he was willing to do and to execute them to achieve the promises that he made when he was in opposition. But I don't for me be so. And light go chrome. And the patrol board are saying, and the unya juma, and the other board are saying, dear Neko, and some papa ne ka yena akwakoye abuabi and nine. Mami Monica, Mimwakwa papa. Promise bia papa mahama de ma Ghana fo enam so ekoto aba ma papa yi no ni nyina dan boachi bidin entronko a enkontomponko a de etwa ye mene kura mpo ne se awudifo nkrofo omode omo ho abo amanyo se ma omode boye nkro no papa ne ba ya omo nso no wagya omo se omo nye den omo nko for free. And same way na me no bedi ho nkomo. Same way and then me no ba bedi ho nkomo. Me be kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm bi ani so. Me ba be kyerɛ nkrɔfo a mahama hu so mo abɔkorɔ no na evidence tare to. Na papa yi say ogya won ade nti omo ya ndisi fo. Emu binom de epo de wagya won ase aba omo position. Ebinom die ya wuye. Ebinom wiya sika na mu eduru. Ebinum de oman no da achi kɔhye eboase enso papa we si da bi omonye bone adentia enam sɛ omoye NDC fo no nti no bone bi omo aye bia no ɛho nhia sɛ ye betwe wona so but sɛ me so me life me so me TikTok na me ka asɛm bi a de enye papa ne de wona so mu a obema ya ba abɛkyeme. But the above money chrono, we're talking about millions of dollars. Papa nisi dabi, ene die, enye na sembo mfaho. Na ene video bi abeto minsama, ahemfo egu nsande pa na nado ache se omo di bone. Tiemiye pa. Ahemfo, omo gu nsande pa na nado danko akufo ado ache se. Ghana fo nyina ye di bone. Against Nanado Danko Akufuado. And I'm saying, a Jumane, a Hofama, Nanado, na Ewon and Niswa, now the year Juma de Magana Maya. Young who is some fashion, a quarter about the map, a puppy and friend Dariga. No better than Kunya, within shorter possible time, no. Wama a him for 1.4 we know who say, a yen troning contompon a ye ditch the yen, and a yen son ye fall a victim into that. And tia him for phone say, Yankopon. Emfa won bone yen den enche yen na omo san so kra bompa ye de ase Nyankopon hata so se omfa Ghana fo nyina ye bone enche yen ye di bone ye di nyina ne se enipa ananka okoma yen no enipa ananka ye haw ye ne haw enipa na opese nka ye man no enme ye krabehwe no ye kan ye ho bom mu koto aba editia na manyokuo no ema na manyokuo no kotena abonte ene yakofa sasa bronsam abesi yenso ene odi yewu yenti ahemfofo no ye ba ne ye bo awuram
what's in there Ghana funa ya yo boni bi adam bo na ye yen seven jam my Ghana ni team na ma monpai
na manti we dey na ekoso na dan kwa akofo ado papa bebi a wo biam se Ghana for na fi wo se se de chow panko a mo pa chow sa nansia na cathedral de ba yo mbe pa chow a Ghana for yesi hia national apology ni apana dan kwa akofo ado a chow se se nso de medanya ne ya nana eye osi ade yo ade aye biafo atuafo the first a wo eye da kire enso de ababo nten se ya ye kasei ono so pa chow o pa chow oso osre na nom samafo so mombra na Ghana fo abo mu hudua oso hwe japade ne nyoma na adu adanko akofo do ye ya Ghana fo abo mu hudua enti ofre na nom samafo so metalechi na de na Ghana fo ya ye no ya mpana na adu achewa na se ya wamompaye anya paye nyimusu a Ghana betira beremusa because oso kwa abo nten no okwohwe nyoma na adanko akofo do ya ansa no okọ na mse na ye yifa ni tama na mo kana na mo tutu aba mo kasa alle mango hwe no yesi akokora tiri ba dwe no mo mane nso na ade ti bia ye gulitiri so nsa
na bada Ghana man do o sanda yam pen damti ye bro ma konkon Ghana o ye hira man ti me ye kan de na nanu mo ma jinsan amman payin fa we uko wo nyina wo ma jinsan na nwa wota asede o man payin kufuwe o man payin mama o man payin kufado obiara ne nkwabo ya be biara otiti obiara na nan won pangu ma ho no wonyin no won tsechi na asem bi ba na mu ye tse eso yenke bi sa man payin fuyi no won tuafo eyi payin adio Ghana ma won kwabo ta asem na esi me ya bri menya bri me sai de Ghana man nyala a mayam ka ho ya yo bon kese ye de tia o man payin akufa ado na na bezachi o sande eduma baye da pie bien ana bosumu kuri ha pamotam mamala medina yi go twa mansa mehu edu tom kwa na yen na ya kase tie ya kase tie o man payin ya kase tie na bezachi ya kase tie ministers de Ghana sikan wodi wa gbobusa bebre dodo wo fa nye duma biala na wo bruka bi ho nanso inazi moyi chen ya hu de sana sikana ogban wanzi wo da ye duma kasa na se ya kasa esian da mo kan do na se menjira ho na ma mon pai ma fa mo ma konkon Ghana na se kufado na na begechi wo do ya bi wo kasem tie bi asem bi tie amagana anhwini aye no me na aye obloyisi kes anade mpama mugom kasa mpama abade wodo amagana ndo deminti na majira ha me ma chame fi ya bompa bi na yame adom yesu yetu kwai kakra na mugunde abuti nko bebe ho ma wonyi minerals biala nsuko wazi na to ye mwoti ye ekufa dot na na graba on STEM education them STEM education since na yame adom Ghana fo anyemu bebre mbu ye hu robotics ndi bidan ya mo fam wa apa bochi we get first ina emma another school fu na wa ye drone wa ye brain each day system education say yes shamma abama Ghana yeso yakọ ofiduma ni mu o say na ofiduma no wodi ye bibiala o nne wiasa ya be ehu de so bia na tumpo a no yefuduma ekoduma oye ne mom ekoduma go sintum mo ma do nyame adumala emidi ma mehwehwe pa ma kufu ado waye ama usande them STEM education no that bad minyim de obasisa Ghana ne shabewo ya mu fo me bebre waso wonya adwuma nye nanso ampa ne mom dudu wo ko school okay we did sociology dondology any logic sisedi yankwa ndemdo education minister na pono yini nua kaka nua panyino sa nua kakaba edutwum what's the STEM aba nti obiala kwa onsu STEM ne bi ne yesu yenhyase yare yenye yenzama yankasa
yes abusuafo ye nyina ya tibio ene da me no kasa ide ahemfofo nyina egu nsa e de panana ado dankwa akofo ado achew enam se omo hu se omo aye bone de TMPP amanyokuo no ene danado nsemfo amanfo kafa ne ho papa isi opia abontene kakra no no ankasa na nima adwuma odi ko hu se yaye. The question remained the same. In the 2024 campaign, no Ghana for na dia na egu mani so. Dia ben ana na egu mani so. Ensam ben na ye ka kire mo ana ye mode saa. Sabio ensam no kore ara wo mu ye ka na muntie. Dia ben pa na ye hu ye edigu mani so. Adey ensam wo ya mahama kan ye na convince mo ana.
A much better president than even the first time when I was president. One, because of the experience that I've been president before. And two, because I have had the opportunity to reflect on my period of time as president.
You get it?
And it gives me a focus on the things that we need to do to turn around the fortunes of our country as quickly as possible.
Abusia, question na me bisa on say. Enti papa ne ba ye ne nsema na o ka ne wo ha yi. Eye no kore say bibi kire say papa we ye an experienced leader na. Because the aircon ne no anu ed no. Abusia akromfo kura ye gya won. Akromfo ye gya won. Na onim de ya. Anesefo esu. Now the tiasem we asami jamfi e kan in opposition na ye nto ado.
Much. Abusu amamu. Koko football. Oncheni United. State capture. Yem form mine eja padiemfa. They are peerless. Unparalleled. Yehu bi da. Menya sho se Mobutu sesese kumu krampo yesa. Not even Idi Amin Dada could have contemplated.
But out here some na some Jamaican ni ye pa. Or say on ye ka amanyoko anasa abanya or den na fufuo ne ne yonkonom e na eche o man na japade dipa MPP aban. Now I will have a question to ask you today. Enti that we are men no kase in some way na papa we can in opposition no. Whom actually is it referring to? Because ene ye de japade e Ghana nyina ma Ibrahim Mahama ono ne commande ono ne manage ono ne the boss of it ono na chi e bi ni ho ono nso na ye the brother of John Dramani Mahama. But Sami Jamfi was confident enough to come out and tell us, say, the fact is, say, Nanado ne cousin yene secretary ntino, eya busuan chemfa. Temiyepa. The fact is, say, na asaribedia tu, oye juma wo Jubilee House ntino, na ene kyerɛ sɛ the country has been given to the one family. And abusha deɛn ɛna wohu deɛn na ɛkɔ so na sɛ megya mfi deɛ nyankopɔn hata soro ɛna ɛne no ɛbɛtwe soɔ. Yewura mahama ne sɛ megya mfi ne nkurɔfoɔ ɔmo de Ghanafoɔ yɛadwene adi agorɔ yie paa. Ensɛm a papa yi kaa yɛ nyinaa ɛnɛ we can say somewhere and prove him completely wrong. Ti asɛm wɔ yewura mahama ka ɔno ankasa ne personal video a ne nsɛm a ɔkaa yɛ ne deɛ ɔkaa ne hwan bra onya to me no ɛyɛ completely opposite of what he promised the people. Mpacho tie video we na ento ado.
Russia war. Na Ukraine Russia omo ko a efa ya Ghana for efa ye ho ban. Yeah, it's your baby. Ukraine Russia war. What's na play mu na o ka say wo call Ukraine na. Wo fi Accra 7,000 kilometers ansa no akodru. Na omo ko omo ntokwa. Then say Yesikasem. Recent events in the Middle East which involve an exchange of missiles between Israel and Iran have started to escalate crude oil prices dramatically. I've asked our Minister of Finance and Minister of Energy to keep a close eye on the development.
Bajoteniyo, Obi are not the opposition, I will say Ukraine and Russia for a quan. And when I'm so saying it me affected the economy of Mother Sabio Ghana. Yura Mahama no Casano. A few to me, we or see ye to 2 miza, ewo Iran and Asefo. It Rama Patro bo a cosro. And the Ghana phone to me topatro, moon to me topatro, and Tokabian Koswo Babia. There is no global crisis. There is no any global emergency. But Patro bo cosro. Yura Mahama cannot handle it. A chiafanebo. Yes, talk is cheap, especially when your intention is to propagate. It's very cheap. Open your mouth and describe every single thing negatively. Opposition tana the papa. So you be only mun kontompo die na won fa no kre e na ehwehwe to me. Na wadwene da utim ni se opese won fan tro na meji to me a woten chen a there. Because adie bi aban ne be ye bia no obetumi aye den e de a condemn no amana ye ye adie bi aban ne be ye bia na opposition party you can always condemn the person unless say we a party bit is MPP party a oman ne nkoso ne da wanim eho e na obeye select rare cases enema enye kama na waka ho asem. But Sankrofo, there is nothing that they said good things about it. Adie bi eni wo moka asempa fa ho. And then one of the free education student or bekana numa sem the ono ankasa hu when Nanado was in power the na ekoso e wo free education ho. Eni sa abre we ya papa bi eni ne nkrofo aba omudi omane so ene hedu na idrusu su osu osinka opese onfa 50,000 teachers across the country but ato force ne John Darigase omo mani sika emane mfa sa nkrofo school a teacher for no ma omo nye adwuma emfa ma Ghana Education Service. Pacho temiye pa. Temiye pa. Ghana Education Service na ewo hono. Schools no, omo here teacher for 50,000. Yewra Mahama say, I'm coming to do free education better. I'm coming to review. And why no. Oma Minister of Education sika na ontimi recruit teachers na omonche ya mofra na de wo school ma papa ne se oniska enti ene haru na idrusu sun de kire Ghana fo ma se enye se on peso be for teacher fo na mmom no ye se otwe ade soro na e ma na bibi kitam e wo soro ho Now listen to what this free education student is saying. Tia.
This free SHS thing. I was fortunate to be part of the first batch. When we went, you'll be at assembly and the accountants will come, the house mistress, and they are coming. Oh, nana man monko. The rest, where's your school fees? This, that, go home. And because of that, the seniors really envied us. And even within the free SHS, you open some of your classmates, their job bosses, and it's just Gary. Very sad. We had free books, free uniforms. Everything was literally free. We weren't paying for anything, not even PTA, nothing. It was all free. I think recently we moved up. Power and say they have been paying for PTA fees. Thank you, my sister paid. She's paying. Yeah, she paid. But
yo, she was lucky to be part of the free education. Because Anando Danko Kufuado Bressono, they had everything free, even to school uniform. But then Krofo we buy, what is going on there? What is actually going on there? And the school fees could say now money in your one because the actual Minister of Education can or Parliament say, and who he has a Ghana buying before a man for my dear Mwako school. But somebody like Nanado, some party called MPP, our Munim said the development of a country depends on the mindset of the people. Made it clear, say, before this country can move on, we need conscious mentality in the society before things can move better. But then Krofo we buy, and to pai so no moto to pai so free education no any hope. What is the reason? You say your books mu and show say the countries or the country's economy is doing good. Abraham Krofo esu ofio outside gentility home crying. Yeah, my economical books no a showcase say the economy of the republic no it's an so. But when you go into the life of the people, Krofo na o mine ye omo dia 2 mini kura omo a emu sika nyina ye omo dia no okwa omo usu because aban na yisika wo system no mu nyina akogu bank and not so and a man for sofa. So all the services I was saying aban provided to the society no any hobium and a chrono and a mobile. Aban mum painful katia bosmi bia yetiama won. But the ordinary worker, the ordinary public institution worker, nipo ye jumama aban na katia de yemfa ho ubewu awu enye yasem. Yenti asem aba yoika.
it was free back then. Teachers were coming. There was impromptu inspection. The seniors weren't enjoying bread Monday to Sunday, but free SHS came. We were enjoying bread with breakfast, sometimes special dining. We got yogurt and stuff. When it comes, we are so happy because there will be yogurts for campus. And it was beautiful.
Bajot in yepa. What in yepa? I see free education now more koye no. It do that because it was special dining. Yogurt near the more move for free. Yogurt, yes, Timoko yogurt at the bus school by Chaman Korana, it didn't free. But the other Mahama was telling Ghanaians to say, in Yania amount for dinner was school and the free SHS, or no, the man a Krama and Korana and a Krama in it. Bajo temi yepa. Yewra darega eka ni opposition say enuane a yede magana school for no ono no ne kraman otifio de man na woni yenya okuja to abra kwa ne sese symbol grass eba abonten be kan say enuane a yede ma school for no eye expired product e magana for G2 mu bo ho dede ene de na ekọ gari kura obehwekwa di wo school no aba be yasem. Why? Where did we go and how did we reach here? Ehe na ye call ye na ba ne se na ye duru pempenso we. Ni nyina ene se na ye ni gye nkwase asem ho. Ye pe nkwase asem atie, ye pe jimi asem atie bi ti se we listen.
Is 24-hour economy. He says he has not heard some. He mentioned zero. 24-hour economy. Even a kid in Ghana today knows it. John Mohammed's solution to unemployment: Women's Development Bank, National Apprenticeship Program, Farmer Service Centers, and farm banks to create jobs in the area of agric. Women's Development Bank to add 2 additional shifts to our work cycle to increase productivity, and create decent jobs. Women's Bank to give low interest loans on very flexible terms to women to go into entrepreneurship. We've spoken about
Mpachotio, what in some Samijam people boss 24-hour economy, Women's Bank, why, Bra or Hefa. Medium in Hubio, Miss Low, Semitina Yameya, said Dam Namabo, said Sabio no Crana Mempesa Meka, said or time been a me wadima John Mahama Mamua, but I want to never catch them. But beyond some Samijam fee kind. Mahama bedia konwai wa hu ewo manum na minya masema meka. We wanted to hear something sweet. Campaign breno, instead of saying kebe focus on the important things, no. They na we team, they na ye dwene, they na ye party, ene nsema ede. Enti nipa bi obetena abontan na no beye gbogbo no be kan nsem a yasum ye den na ma ye joy bia no. We fall flat to them, and these people say nkrofo we ye jimmi me mahama bedi akonwa pen me bedi akonwa metoto pai so ma mo me homodene amanfo ko demonstration ma me ka kire omo say me dem ye dwamfunu they can do 70,000 demonstrations and fa me ho. But nkrofo no eda so jimi di ene nkrofo we ye jimi o say let's keep it hard. When we finish we will thrash them out. And then ene assembly papa we kan ye bia no ene or execute in terms of things that he promised that he would never and ever do it for them. And then nurse for I'm coming. I know your problems. I'm coming. I'm going to make all your life problems solve. I know about your posting problems. Let me come and I will make sure say everything will be solved. And the next for demonstration mu and more broom. Take video way.
We are not slaves. We are slaves. Ato. We are not slaves. Ato. We are slaves. We are not slaves. We are slaves. We are not slaves. We are slaves. We are not slaves. Ato. We are slaves. Ato. We are not slaves. Graham. Graham. Graham.
Enti se utie se ye tiatia mu se ato pay us now na ye se amanfo akatua ma light ya totum water ya enso ya totum enuane bo ayedene petrol ya totum but the ordinary Ghanaian na juma oye no the government has decided not to pay them and the people are starving. STA blah, blah, blah. They are starving amanfo ewu. People are actually hungry and angry in the system. Remember, my teacher being a kind, I'll say an angry man. Sorry, a hungry man is an angry man directly. And the nurse fuesu, a teacher fuesu, doctor fuesu, taxi driver sesu, kokwa kuya fuesu, BBA soon bestow, and crofo we see a more abaso. We should recognize them as the good managers of the economy. Adentia, on the paper, everything looks perfect. Abusia, we a sensible. We just the opening comment of my show today. Meeting any RAS Media, RAS Media GH on YouTube. Utumi a subscriber, kama no abeka abusia kuo no home. Sans no betumi de unsa asi adoma no so na wa notification no so said be ya me ba life bia obenya notification sama ba na wa be join me o kire o message o comment so na ma hu na ma che kama ne yekoya nim sa ene ye no ye ntwa ye homra sesia. Now let's go deep into a chrono juma and this if ya yewura mahama ba ye what me abon e homodre a just ankrofo we nyina so munko free because according to yewura mahama amonye bone bia yenko emra sesia.
A much better president than even the first time when I was president. One, because of the experience that I've been president before. And two, because I have had the opportunity to reflect on my period of time as president.
You get it?
And it gives me a focus on the things that we need to do to turn around the fortunes of our country as quickly as possible.
Papa no say Oba, he believes that he's going to be better. Because when you experience, when you exposure, onim the econo, and the man is actually disgracing himself at a bigger part or at a bigger platform. Afei, yankone nkodin komo kakra. Na ye nneɛma ntɛntɛm na ye nkyenti yankone nkodin komo kakra. Abusiamfo mu ni maami we yie pa. This is the breaking news of the day. Mami we. Your friend is said dina tamakure. Sa mami we ne we 500 million Ghana cedis. Mami we. We are 500 million Ghana cedis. Bisam say bani say no we asasika we. Mami we ebra Ghana John Mahama breso in the past. Ensuro shifra Accra eko kache fire at the filling stations amanfo ewu ye no. Amanfo hre wa Japade. Sabre no na mami we na that maslock ano. Abani twa sika de mami we say onko hwehwe victims to that disaster. Na on support won e wo sika fam na omontumu enye den omomo bra said de senefata maami weji sika no otena so di according to sources otumi di sika no kura ma obi na wase akwaji sika no e wo polythene bag na odi kofie otumi ekururu obi kura misane so opebosia na maami na hye da apia sika no from the accounts of the maslock no de kogu se nipa kro na accounts enti nipa ne bi ka kire ne se menkan kire o se sabio me pebosia na maame na ka kire ne se kwana kwore draw sika ne nyina na fabreme. So this woman said di tamakolo etumi tena ase e prane ye a way to steal from the state coffers and then say odi amanfo din be ye care of. Now they push sikana from the accounts of the government. E could do ordinary person in an account to more. No afraid nipa say nipa ni sikano cash. No family no. Ojia no they are the ope. Sama mi we ye di asembua ne former 10 years imprisonment. Ena otumi di dwane free Ghana kwa America. Ekoshe mu America. Na okoshe mu America no. MPP are buying for modern ye process of extradition. Emma 2026 we move about successful. Now there is something that I want you to understand before we go deep into this. Kinoforiata case, no. So the NDC government wants to bring Kinoforiata back to Ghana. But the American government can't NDC are buying say. Papa na mo pese mo mfa ne mmra no oni bone mo accusations na mo de to no so na ma no so nti mo se yemfa ne free America mmre mo no eni nyina so eye nkontompo nyansa nim nyansa sembia nim de mo kanom enti yemfa papa ne mmra mo asekire ne se America ban se ukoye case of extradition. Our politicians so especially say yem fanning for America, Emra ni krum because we're deep on ya. And yes, almost sorry ya. Na omudi ni pano about my num said general panation. Answer na America buying ebema okay. Say nipanim free. Or my ye friend American. Na yem fanning mra or mine na no timurian coachina. So the nature say the court of jurisdiction in America has done what? Has done investigations and who say Sani pano diformpa and sana yedena especially when the person is politicians, because a politician can always be victim to what? To political persecution. Enti America buying and kase yemfa sedina tamaklo emra Ghana maimu abra pap mameno odipem anase asem na yede ato ne so no any fundamentals said ye sabi okay no for the attack case no America ban kan kire NDC for say omo case na omo de aba nyansa nim te omo ntumi supporto ema omo nye an injustice extradition no say nkama mi we any case bia enka America ban amaya mfa ma mi we amada nanso de na asi America collaborated with Ghana to bring back this woman for the punishment adentia, because according to the judges and the judiciary system in America, this woman deserved to be punished because omuhwe nkrata mu no maami we wadi bone ye de maami fra America bedru Ghana ye bedru ye se ote akonwam ontumi nante NDC for de na kosie ye de na koshe dan mu ye de na hye dan mu a enne anopa ye sori ya ye si NDC aban ne judiciary e de said di mama tamakro akokot akokase asembia na ne so oni for bia until the woman is free to go with our 500 million Ghana cedis onfa only onehwe she don't deserve to serve any imprisonment into the what Ghana now say Ghana bibia ekoso yi a wa ankasa wa pampa so ene uti so me maame estake bari ma me mo akwa ba yi pa pacho tie me se uti o man no not this type of injustice ekoso. This type of select and choose justice, judgment, you know. Select and choose a judiciary system, no. Koso. Now see be a koso year. It is over to you. Your time will come. The time will come where they will take you to. And that time, you will not have nobody to come and what? Support you. Because said the AC konem fata. Obi a wedi 500 million sika yam fan koma hiafo a sabio atorenchema ente se ato won na omomfa emmo omobra na omomfa solve won problem maami wetimi kata na ni disika we ye ne nkwase asem wo manum chichema ne NDC 4D free of charge, but yene NDC abai have the college to bring the woman in Ghana and go to court and take excuses to free her to go for free. We are talking about 500 million Ghana cedis. Now, there be a MPP amanyuko no when I work over parliament. Asem no babesia one di kind a boy and coco. Now sometimes no. Eya na ye ntumi ye den en catch what they want to tell us. Ye de maami we free America ba ya ye sha ase ana NDC fo etoto papa hwe di ntro no. Papa we MP we ba bontre be kan asem we mpa cho de tie.
She has been given assurances. Another assurance she has been given is that they are going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned. I am a lawyer, and I don't know how it is going to be done. Government is the only one that can say so, but this is the assurance they have given her. But we
Papa we yede maame free America buy na o ka say NDC fo ne maame na kasa say omobeye de ombetumi bia omobeye de ombetumi bia Obobaya juma bi esefata bi ase. Sa judgment na yedi ama no sentence na yedi ama 10 years imprisonment no. Onko them even one day. Papa you can't same way no. The NDC supporters, but John Mahama, in fact, what go NDC for any masio. I think they say Nkrofo moto abama NDC kura no. Dodo na no enu omo ho. Dodo na no believe we say they have been scammed. Me abana na akua from me wakwaba. Bebre na no believe we say they have done a very big sin. Say because of corruption, tia o say nto abama when this MP before we our mind no. Omo say o mind no ba no abaye o mind ye. Papa obaya akromfo tetwaboafo ayadi wona sema bua wonfo. You have the courage to free them. Papa you can't same way. People were thinking say asem na okano enye nokore. Asem na ba twamo. Asem na ba twam because enede do ya me no kases said the matamaklo a free woman or you free from any sentence.
Want to sound a word of caution to government. The Ghanaian people are watching us very closely as political class. They are tired of the way and manner we protect or government protects their own when it comes to corruption and corruption related cases. Ghanaians are tired. They can't have it anymore. We must be seen to be acting on corruption and not protecting our own. That has been the trend with this government since it assumed office. It filed nolle prosequi in cases in respect of cases which members of the NDC were standing trial. And now it is playing games with the conviction and the sentencing of Sedinam Tamaklo. Indeed, by preventing her from serving the prison term for the 15 days that she has been in Ghana, government has interfered with a lawful order of a court of competent jurisdiction.
Pacho da papa we say. Da papa we say. Na Sendima Tamaklo. Abeti Ghana maimo 15 good days. Now obia yedi wasem na yebu awfo. Na wadwane afiri omanum. Ni yakofo afiri amano ne de waba omanum. Through extradition process. Senye abanya oye nkontompo ne nabraba. Na adwene da ne tim ne se wo ya NDC ni nkwa na NDC aban etia konyama obetumi abokro no bi a ope na mbe protect wa. Why will you bring a criminal into the country without a criminal ya sentences no? Why would you bring him without not taking her to the prison? But rather would not koshe fie say wabubuti akonyam. Nefa ye ho. Obi a wadi 500 million Ghana cedis. Wabubuti akonyam kura ye de wheelchair ni nyina. O say yempi anamfa ne nkoshe prison na on serve ho no mfa nsu anyansa. But the man who promised to come and fight against corruption is the one that is protecting people who has been non-alleged, who has been sentenced for corruption practices. We made to make cases because we call to account as sentences, at the whole judgment about bonting, it will not something that is not true. And as a allegation, a reality. Na sauti o man no so yo man panyini. Na nkrofo mo ka o party ho edi bone ewia o man ni sika. Na wutumi kata wani se o bo won ho ban o maye ntwe waso a. Odwene se o man ma no, what would they think about the political crash? Mimia Ajimandu Amwakwa, but you trust NDC at your own risk. NDC is just a mafia gang. Pachote miyepa. So also you're the leader, the president, the first gentleman of the land. Now say under your own observation, supervision, and crofo mwa bokro no ma yedi onasema bua wonfo. Utumi de omoba o mainum yedi onasema bua wonfo ma omo adwan firi o mainum. Utumi de won free. Utimi de omoba o mainum na wode ɔman ne tumi no ankasa asia bɔ ɔmo ho ban asan agya wɔn ma ɔmo kɔfiri a, what are you doing? The same thing happens to Samija, what them call Kevin Taylor. Samobekaya, Kevin Taylor was hanging around with warrant for arrest. Temiyepa. Kevin Taylor was sentenced, there was a bench warrant for arrest on Kevin Taylor. Then you see, John Mahama bedi Ghana konya. He made sure say Kevin Taylor will come to Ghana under the escort of the powers of the country. Yeah, they Omaini to me no but Kevin Taylor who bind the neck or court ko yi ni case ye done so free ne so e man be ye free man. Na say to abama the to me no ma say for sell to me no but Omaini no ho bind. Now we turning the to me no against the people to favor your party cronisa. Masa, what kind of leader are you? Abusha like video na yanko yanim. Share so na yanka ho na yanko yanim. Pajote mi ye pa o. Ye the to me ama say for to me no ebo man na ho ban against enemies of the state. Enti obi obokro no e wo man no futo mu bia no or ye enemy to the state. Ye de ne brawa instead of you to use the power to punish him, you rather use the power to protect the thief. Enti ye se panyin toto a otena fie ema enkorawe nanka ye ka nankawe fo a oye den oka ho. Panyin toto otena fie ma enkorawe nanka o ye ka nankawe fo a upeu oka ho bi. This is what is happening. When the man ye okre say Kevin Taylor is a John Mahama boy. Sandy Tamakro or ye obi obo krono de man this yamanyoku no e de yomniema enye saa nka they will not do what they are doing. Yenti asema.
And that is contempt of court. And the government will only do that because Madam Sedinam Tamaklo is one of its own. And that has been the trend. That said, we want to state that we are going to keep an eye on the matter. We are going to keep an eye on the matter. The trend cannot be that anytime an NDC member falls foul of the law, the person is protected and the person is prevented from or secured from facing the law. We are keeping an eye on the matter. Yes,
yes. And papa can't say we say send the tamakro. The NDC for ye just a plan. Or one shed there to ye near marketing kitty bia. Now they are going to free her no. Sabreno. Now man for Ginny, but ye na me no say. Mimia Ivan Sankama Kofi Mwakwa pa na mame adwoa se wa wonso me che ye pa e Mwakwa ba Evans sika no so majibi wa hu o de tra ho esa o see the woman sold the money for the NDC. Yes, in fact, and na make the fact says John Mahama timi hwe mame wo yanim krono mame wo ya bopa na otumi jano 500 million Ghana cedis. Corona mami we boy 500 million chopable Ghana cedis and a mami we are and you know 2015 2014 do you know the value of that money at that time? Do you know that the amount that involved the value of that money at that time? Mami we are and then you see a jano, you see on case, you see on ye boni bia. Na wo de yentra ho na yemfa nsem no muni agro yentra ho saa na yenyi yani na yemfa nsem bi ni agro yentra ho saa na yenhwe ma yewura mahama emfa o man na japade nche ni nwia na onsan protect amanfo mo akro no kese na se yete ho na yesi bibia ye woka it is over to us. It is what? Over to us. Because Brajo Mahama Shasi obedi Ghana konya 2015 hono. O Shasi o exhibit. Pachoti miye pa. O Shasi o exhibit. This ye friend say defending thieves no obi anka hwe bajo tie me ye pa bra papa ne sha ase a na obo akromfo eho eban no yanka hwe into ode ne nsa fofa yanum ahu se enkrofo we no omo anum no hwinim utie me ye pa John Mahama bedi Ghana konya John Mahama ebedi Ghana akonya ye de sedi matama kroka ho a ye wo nipa maako enwotwe a na omo case ewo court a na they had cautions to give but enemy me barima say na si akwakosie the akwakosie ne say you see there is no prosecution temi ye pa you see there ben case no en engina so you see there ben case no ye ni ehun hia se ebedi enti se unim na wo ye Ghana ni akoda na ukowia banche ana se ukowia bode na ndi si aban echiwa ye do betum 15 years but kromfo dem antwia te se nkrofo we nyina no John Mahama say they can go but people mo drin kiro ye nwia kwabena dufo ono nko a 83.3 million Ghana cedis owiaye ai oh ayi meji ye hu ne ye adenti ayi meji ye hu ne ye asem ni o oh pa cho munyanto ba sema me freed by clearing agent Mahama. Pacho tie mi pa. Yewura Mahama ba ye no. Wa bone homodini bia se. Enkrofo na omo adi oman na wu. Enkrofo omo aye de ensem fata eye nimguase na ye krono na sabio ensem fata no yewura Mahama bo modene aye dan aja nkrofo ni nyina ma me ncha sele mo bo ka kran kire me phone lines no ntum na wo nso no meka wa adwene yewura kwa brandufo NDC for omo former finance minister Obogana Maika 663.3 million Ghana cedis or the Unibank Mahama Baye Wajano. Dr. Siama, the governor of Ghana, today, governor of Ghana, UB Bank case, also saw corruption the finance sector of the country. Keso ato force in Japan 2.37 million euros for ambulance case. Mahama Baye Wajano and Wakoya finance minister. Dr. Puni and Siedu Angogo 217 million Ghana cedis. Eshawanto Papa Baye or there is no case Wajano. Collins Dauda another $200 million for what is the name of the houses? The Wine housing project. Sagremi housing project. 200 million. Akwane dini free. John Mahama si yenya na asem oni boni bia. And Stopson. Any John Hagan Mensa Peter Habibo Senate. Ye ka Senate asem 14.8 million. Omo dini kwa Mahama Baye waja won. Answer ya maame we say dina tamaklo 500 million. Mahama waja won. Kevin Taylor ni yedina sem di case ya tone so to answer. Yen kwachi ntum. Yewura Mahama timi kofa ne dini firi America dene ba Ghana. Ebe jana say oni boni bia. He is a free what? A free man. Minya bari ma. DMBM na opese men kanchiro. Tiemi ye pa. Die ba asem and now person men can na what ya say Papa Way came in here just to make sure say he is fight for his people. Obia yedi na asema mani 10 years imprisonment, 15 years sentence. Yetimi mani bail no anenam. Ya sentences in a view. And yes, I feel na yedi na asema ya sentences in a view. But NDC can give that person bail. Near you were free prison now nam no team kwasem. Mami we so sa ni ejano. Papa we so sa Senate baby a pension fees echo. Papa we ne nkrofo to me transe. The director of Senate under John Mahama, Omuti Senate sika nyina ma Senate yeden egui. And then Mahama say, "Sa nkrofo we nyina obia ma okro no, obia ne ho som, omu nyina wagya won free." Minya Ivan Sankama say, Mahama didn't come to rule Ghana, but rather to enrich himself and his Goro boys appointees. Minya Reshinkovi say, "Good evening, bro. Watching you from nowhere." Minya we some bra panyin me mo akwa ba yepa. Abusian for medemano ebesi am be phone lines na to me frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen. Ofra nsɛm wei na ye ka ho asɛm. San nsɛm wei na na nam. How come say you are coming to fight against corruption? Now bedru ya, you are rather the person that is protecting those people that has been caught. Enkrofo ya ti omo enkrofo omo case da ho yenim so omo abokro nai ye di omo asem kra sentences one. John Mahama can free these people and still add to say ono no oye who ono no the good pan on he's the person who is here to save Ghana. On what? I mean more video we na meanwhile yemfa the course
that she has been given assurances. Another assurance she has been given is that they are going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned. I am a lawyer and I don't know how it is going to be done. Government is the only one that can say so, but this is the assurance they have given her. But we want to sound a word of caution to government. The Ghanaian people are watching us very closely as political class. They are tired of the way and manner we protect or government protects their own when it comes to corruption and corruption-related cases. Ghanaians are tired. They can't have it anymore. We must be seen to be acting.
Yeah, Abba Niger, Crania, that was in Sunday, Jumaya, Eja, do maybe I'm here to the airport on the GG, Abrochade is over winning. About also when you have a live program, BT, and what did you want? Now, your friend say, the airports we na Eja can be one. John Mahama, Munia, the airports of Mamma near Mama because. Yes, what do I teach up from for? You will be good. So, what do I teach up from for? You bring it up. Intimidate women's way of conphobia. Who come here? Now, do I the idea? Ejamaka and so Mr. Crasomani. A dinner, Apple Ghana for. Because your Mahama, you know where you come for. You decay. Intimidate, I didn't know be a comfort. No about my opinion, that's what about be leader of the area. Now, Corona, Coswa, or baby, because we live on no willing me so by. As if so by we know a day, what on. Our questions will be a software, and as will be a such a rather crucial one as in Yamisum. Not in the pan, the bonnet. It was somewhat nothing, man, and more what no. No, the bonnet, and I said, beer, or nip, no, you be beer, it's here, as I. All the tiny panels will be a baby, and ding. See the pan back and was some, a chain passing the power. Or yes, I deal with. Of course, my example, of course, so quite to what worrying or for you, or if I'm going for you. I can't say any power. You bet me about one thing. No, who will be quite a poor beer, or bet me about one thing. About that, say, hey, I see. But one will be here at Campana. They do it in about a casa. Went in the casa because we be a big Mahama. So, Mahama. Want to make a so, Mahama, one more will need the bonnet, William. And I say, if you be one way, more than the former boss CEOs or whatever. I see US. Oh, yes, US. wɔn 18 asɛm wɔ US a wɔn afan ne sɛ 2016 wɔtua bribe saa America power wɔn na ɛbɛn baeɛ a yɛkaa sɛ bribe sɛ bi wɔ mu ɔmo ano dendendenden no a yɛkaa yɛ ɔmo mfie no ɛnɛ ɛna ho asɛm ayɛ de aba abɛda adi because aborɔfo no wɔn tame biribi atwi kuhɛ ayɛ te sɛ ɛyɛ asɛnsɛm baeɛ a ɛho asɛm baa bɛyɛ sɛ 20 mu hɔ baabi o sɛsɛɛ no ɛho asɛm baeɛ no na ɔmo ahyɛ aseɛ 2011 o 2011 ɔmo hyɛ investigation ase so wohwɛ wotie report no kurom ana no wɔ newspapers a wɔka yɛ issue sɛ 2011 ɔmo hyɛ investigation ase up to bɛyɛ sɛ 2020 no a wɔn fan ne wɔn sɛ ɛyɛ wei mu a nti saa na wɔn no wɔn yɛ wɔn adeɛ nti mɛ de ka asɛm sɛ saa nipa no na wɔn akyi no no sɛ wɔtu apply bɔ de ma government officials no saa nipa wei sɛ mahama ɛte wɔn na sɛ wɔwɔ Ghana na sɛ akyi na to mu a wofi sɛ mahama wankɔyi no a daakye bi ɔba abɔnten ɔba ebubu omudini ɔba ebubu omudini ɛno nti na saa nneɛma no yɛ dɛ ɛkɔ so because bɔnne no wɔn a wɔn a na yɛ de AD nti no sɛ yɛ ɔkye nipa no tum na sɛ ɔba abɛyɛ president kuta tumi na sɛ wɔagye nipa no afiri afiase a na kyerɛ sɛ akɔyɛ sɛ wɔ breaking bɔhyɛ no a wɔn ɛhyɛeɛ no ɛno na ama saa nneɛma wɔ yi dɛ ɛkɔ so ne nua wɔyi amena ɛkɔ so nyinaa na wɔn yɛ no yɛda nyame ase wɔn nkɔ so na wɔn nyɛ because wɔn wɔ aban mu wodeɛ ɛbɛyɛ sɛ awia bɛyɛ sɛ 2 o'clock ɛna ɔfo so kɔ akye ɛde news bi bɛto wɔ public share yi bi wɔ ne Facebook page ɛbɛyɛ sɛ every 6 hours ago ɛna public share yi sɛ wɔ attorney general ɛsɛ appeal deɛ appeal court ɛyɛɛyɛ no ɛwɔ Sydney wosɔ wɔtɛba no appeal court wɔ attorney general ɛsɛ appeal ɛde atia court no ruling na wama no na menua sɛ ɔkɔ a nipa bɛsɛ 2K ɛna akɔmɛnto wɔ saa nneɛma no ase ɛsɛ wode nya adagye na kɔhwɛ comments na kɔread no baako na hwɛ sɛ aban to no ɔlusu credibility nkakra because wɔnim sɛ wɔyɛ adeɛ a ɛfeeva nkurɔfoɔ ɛmu ofii sɛ saa asɔfoɔ awohwefoɔ yi to a yɛgyegye na so ofii sɛ asɔfoɔ no ne nyankopɔn ɔmo yɛ nyankopɔn a wɔmo ne wɔtumi a bɔnefo sɛm bi a paati no mu bɛdi biara no ɛnam sɛ ɔmo wɔtumi nti kura abatɔ so ɔmbɛwee ne ɛno ne adeɛ a ɛyi wɔ ho dɛn a nhyɛ ɔmo tiri mu frɛmfrɛm mu a wɔmo to ɔmo de ADs mu no bibia yɛfa education ɛne deɛ ɛrekɔ so amohu a amagboyi muhunu so ɛnɛ wɔkyena akyi nyameboa me mendɛɛbɛ petro ankasa koraa no wɔmo tofo wei mu koraa ma no akɔbɛ sɛ ɔmu 20 cities wɔkyena akyi yɛ nti amagboyi muhunu so John Mahama asɔfo a wɔhwɛfu yi binom ɛhyɛ wo ho nkɔm ɛka kyerɛ yɛ sɛ nyankopɔn sɛ wo John Mahama ana ɛbɛtumi aba abɛyɛ ɔman no yie no wɔn someone now can be into no much that digina so one. What catch says a woba free education, women are strong, DB kind. Sad what can be this traffic light and I say no more off with you can be about over within 9 months. You base your friends as a double track, no meaning in the floor. And I can't answer something in a before no crown. Sad come now 2 position and I will share 3 stitches and I said. What by catching a Ghana for say, a Fibian and I will book up 2 billion Ghana citizens. Almost there's a kind of corner. One found could young farm out of 1 month 3 and more and French education. What by can't ask them. Not saying before we are about to channel. I can so walk back, men a million year or million year. And to the young ones that are in do so by the cassette. Well, per se or why or transfer employee by say 90,000. So whatever. Name finance minister among only 7,000 crowns. Say no, and one fair teacher for and for me go. Now, they are also in an idea that's become what they are. Now, born whom more the NPP are buying, and born whom more they might kind of winning on. Almost a way, Sado Mahama will be child. Teacher nursing to me allowance him. Ever catch him say, oh, my May I go forward at 30 months in Wuchia allowance and that. Maybe make training in animal farm automatic posting. Now, 5 power in begin. na asɔfo a wɔhwehwɛ bi ma ba bɛka kyerɛ sɛ wɔn ne nipa a wɔso wɔdi Ghana so forever ne nua ɛyɛ asensɛm nti Ghanafoɔ ɛyɛ sɛ wɔn so wɔn mma wɔn ani na hɔ na wɔn tena hɔ ɛma ɛyɛ ba bɛka ɛyɛ afe baako ame ato aba a wɔn ayɛ wɔn adwene so wɔn mo sesa nneɛma mu amena ebire wɔn ani so wɔn fa ahyɛ wɔn adwene mu sɛ yɛto aba wie mo sɛ nya pawa a yɛkɔ so saa pɛpɛɛpɛ na me nua wɔde bɛyɛ Ghanafoɔ nti wɔn ayɛ ni ɛna hɔ mo obi nto aso bi nua.
Medase bebree waabi nyame nka wo yɛwia waabi from London ɛna yɛte ne nka no ayɛ ɔso mahama deɛ ɛde daaso bi ɛno ɛma yɛ nida yɛma yɛnyɛ nidaso bi sɛ ɔba bɛyɛ ade papa bi yɛmfrɛ yɛwia yi bansankama na yɛnto adonko yɛ ni Kwame Konto mekyia wo yie paa Ibaj.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, Miria. Scandi, everybody, you are doing a mutamami.
What?
Uria Mechiana, Mechia, Tivonia, for so I would you. Manana,
a tear for you.
Do I not come to say, Bombay, I don't message in my house and I had to reach.
Yeah.
I'm incredibly as someone to be a son of message. Yes, sister Monica, no, our friend. Or making some comment to be fact. Sister Monica, she would hear, and I say, would you? How? Send your MPP now. Nakoma one people, no Sahana, you move so you pay people, no. Send your gas away 50 something years, no Sahana, yes, you should be a 50 plus. But you will move for many years. It is me, as I say, will be at the Hiano. One by your side and say, Namuno. For if I say Papa, go pound muscle in the year into that. He said, be a farmer's topic, you or nothing, as we are wiping one. Fine, send a rock and no me, and co problems with the entire course on you, so the only minute.
Yeah.
Say, your corners and the panel of hobby, and I said, Medanusa. About the chances, man, say you 5 minutes go on out with me, and they are making suggestions. I'm going to pay him. If he attacks the Bahama, maybe another panel of no motion that was to my family, to do now. Because I'm a choice of by say, or not be complaining. Complain or be complaining, or be complaining. One can say, be an old canon or by better than no say, will be taking us for the Casan or Loca. Go by and give you also not in a semi kind or not some buy and or the better was one. Yes, I say, council much than I can send you to piece of better than I. Maybe around the only simply not the cat. And therefore, topic now the buy and back. There will be the annual assembly a bit my car. I will be out warm a bit my man. The attack resistance is also on normal episode of the also bad platform on the hormone. Say there are also person as a old more time and they are moving near the time according to say okay. Or fashion like you say, yes, if you are my man for buying Momocasa, if you know the own Momokai. Wow, but our platform will do achieve for many years. And then I know why your subscription will go see how much responsibility. Yeah. It is also ever had my money in Casabia and intimate or my uncle, or say, a Cariwana or different, but because I direct say, maybe a man from Baba contribute to Hana, and also the Cacarisu, my brother, at Maya, we are in a Cacaduna, by family recommending women or never less Lumina, because I have Jabba in a room. It in your own or Hanum, Ras Mediano, and what is like a Cacarisu, Cacariti? Ah, look now, make Cacariti say, and they tell us, say, men put your mukapam for my video, and no pam sorry, I make like no mache. And sana, man, dear man, Kiasamon can make me call like it, message, no matter the comment. Now I'm lacking a mache because if you are mania, point your money or mocha, but I said, me like and share or video, no manico. Sana be a miss or mom, who say, I must be in it is a sister. I don't want to have a people in the Sunday, I'm not dying as Yakma. Now, you said of the Bomia Babe present, and you're quitting. Baumia, Nana, and sister Monica, Minimba, Yakura was here. While we are in Lutama, I will go back to Ghana, no crony at all. I want to go to this. If you do what we say, Kazana, Yaka, and nothing. Yakan Sano, message and you post it at the Emperor. The air can have my parents and Papa. A bit my pastor, the Obacas, and you be empty, but a beco long way. I think that you are not to go to Pulaba. Abecase. Yanum is able to contribute to Cas and same. And you are made us now, now, Ras, I do a way I want to know.
I
What I said, and maybe you come
Canada the board therefore ya or can simply well and cut topic no ba me pia ba be si asema ya kan ha no o kan no anumre
Me too.
Emma ya cheno say wa can simply ya treason well that time na fe na this ya papa that was 2009 10 hope be sa case ni see that period not mess no president that mahama vice president na hono kana Japan be ki comment bi say ya koto abanda say asantini bi na say ibeni bi ya honfa me pesa me repeat west me ko ka say bi ma ya che no that time so be ka ya ndi ya che no say wa committee treason ya be jeli no ya be ne say na o mo panyi da fufu ka say no assembly on ma you don't kill fly with a sledgehammer when ma say be free mahama no mbai was it or not the bulldozer or the beku tonton or the bulldozer beku tonton yes some na mahama some me boa we go and see o ma panyi ku for say that mo ki kana Japan na kana Japan na we no wa say na I say the body na mahama see o beku tonton with the bulldozer if as a kana Japan ka say asama ku for ka say ka sa for mahama ka tire o ma panyi da ku for na we nyina no me ka mara kwa ku say wutumi SM bank case ya dey born is can 14 million.
Yes.
Oh, the bag is come kwa me ba no 40 million Ghana cedi kwa 14 million. No kwa bonye se bia okọ de kwa 40 na 40 yo. Okọ de ne loan. So ayeni see obejeli wutumi because of akọji loan wa bi me ano so.
Da benna.
Adu kwa na du kwa in case ayedi no court se sia high court se ayedi ko ben na scan yes. That's can more than even $30 million, which the guy did not spend the money on his own. But yes, the end is for say, we're agree. It may come and echo said, so can order scanner or put the traveler on the cancer. How much you guys can never do 200 billions, 180 billions, 23 billion, so how much you say scanner? A bit my the Papa Magana. But your good fee and say, NDC for appointees for movie and that your regime. So that can come with the young bit my gun a year. But no, Obi at the 200 million. So I could see that 5,000 affordable houses in Magana for. We could see more 1,500. We have it, like I said, 1,500 no see go one. Third man see a man to purposely said, you better make that side and move. 200 million. Make I said, wow, 50 million for the question, man. That 200 million, the Mahama say, and then the Attorney General say, that money is not the money for Ghana. It's a Ghana who says Ghana and Yagi. That one said, oh, yeah, opposition party, Nasa Olusu, or no, or this 40 million, yeah, that's can I say, getting it to. Now, and now, on my getting to see a Rasta. Ghana, and Ghana, yeah, we obiting proposal and need to Puno. Now, a couple of billion, say, amount 2 million bail bond, 2 million, or they are supposed to say, 2 million. But Abaya who can't send more social media TikTok, then I look at Lana for my point out here, you know, 1 year. That is for my yet she didn't see. Now, I said, Ghana, one of the one I said, happy before the young master, if in that CSOs, or Piaji process near Yaham for Binuma bribe, and I just baby, that's why you said your positions in Tino. Who is happy before Nanya? Now, on my way, that Butua, you didn't man people in any man is you. So, on my Basima, maybe I am here, the middle of the if you want to Basama, Mary coming. Now, Moma Popra, I said you are Japadia, my year is Legone, West Legone, airport here, no. And I'm out for best at the Abatak. Sagana for us, and this is working another point for your Ghana. Or Martin said, Mahamani, or Yanaya. Yadia Yankasa, or man say, oh, that's a BBC. Or who will number pay the heavy prices. Because what you can them say, Obi, a jelly will be for 10 good years, 15 years. I'm a dependent no Ghana. Fine. Wapa, because of also your party members in me, you know, reason. O catch Ghana for what I said. And then pick up what I said. So I guess now, on the jelly, Mamma, they don't have enough proof. I hear reasonable doubt. But when the BBC says, if you want to make jelly, now more proof I hear reasonable doubt. And meanwhile, remember the main reason why I'm jelly would move. I'm kind of say, almost what an assassin movie on Yeti, and only a reasonable doubt of jelly 20 years. If you went and make camera say, Mahama jelly MPP for 100 years for crime area, and 1 month for jail. And we be the young.
was
And some of them for them is
yeah.
and somebody like Quebec for 8 million Kalabule, quite Ghana for almost $80-something million, sir. Or bank collapse, the information now this Canada for that from. And this is party by am see 40, 50, 40, 60. If you are over 40 now, buy over 60, just say, oh my Ghana, Sicano. I may know your taxpayers' money. You came 40, 60. I'm not for 40 now, man, 60. But what they also good to me, young people need to, you're gonna need to want to me pre-bag, or give me pre-bag. So even because I give no problem to me, would me get me pre-bag, but Quabra before no man will be for the next time Tamako, or the Asa social media, because Tabayaba, or my sicker, set them Tamako, or would to me case, to me, or assassin, I'm not going to go up in a dealing. Set them Tamako, you wouldn't never ask Carolino.
Checks the money in tea.
Okay, I said 2015 or 2015 one more. It's what the people a class family from second one man. It just I'm out for
yeah. I'm out for a filling
station.
Filling station.
That's one of the people are the Jacob. Over carry sarcasm now. Hello, what do you make?
Evans.
Yes, sir.
What's the name? Ethiopia.
South come and let him out. Sir, over what a month for now. Or more said, or more almost cost me. Yes, I'm up for more. Never be compensated. And on no contract, I'm up for being a month for body or moon for more areas. And on what you will share of us as I'm selling just 1 million. 90 million Ghana cedi. I want you to know what to gather my ideas in your gift. You said, stand up for my refund on the back. Now, Sandy Panagana America because MPP for fees are more there. We are Ghana Nina, we are Bonia, who will freedom so bad because on the same way, we say, you are more privileged to travel and go and do your medical checkup. I have for people and go to America. And Abana also say, okay, fine. What the other day, the medication would have to cost, but the medication not do. You do it a bit more go for the medication, essential. And I get 10 years now, that man, yeah, bye, and I'm Mahama for myself, or Maragan and Indian. Because I got judges for you now. May would have missing word, or Munako MDC judges. If you will have this in our court, Mr. Brahma, make us a who are Ghana and this Mika of the boat to work for Panicho. Or Panicho, that I tell you, Mr. Pachami, in your view. When this are not women, but some Kua, you don't go for a big Jana man up and down what did you free.
Because we have this.
You be like you, and airports are also. Yan ka say yes, I have to go. A bedu baby, Nipana, a video or man, a best. And who be NSI, Emma Arab strength story, and because all you want is to group people with other hands. But you are really not what I say, who rule one side. Ghana, you can say, Ghana, oh, Mahama, when you don't change, some people. Now, before I say, I can't move to the Amateur, and I said, I sent 12 people in the beginning to the but you can say, a pedoma, or not Ghana, oh, Mahama, to me, Ghana, over Ghana. It's not going to say, my strategy, TikTokers, because when you say, fire social media apart from the fire. I'm not going to say, I'm going to Muja, what do you stand the heat? You know, say you can't stand the heat, but don't have confidence of one buy. And the bro, but who's a man who will be so free, watching my main film now from my way.
May I see me Evans? Right here, Honka. Bye bye. Here Evans. And I tell you, and to what we need the entire Sunday Matakuru, Yachano, Yakono, Opokono, 500 million Ghana cedis. And Yafusi can offer the Free Fire brand, Mammy Esther, Mammy Moko, Mammy Obian Yachiro, a month for Akasa. Aye.
Sama from a show you were tearful.
A tearful night,
Yamin show be of a cassette. When Yamin Naya Maso happy and Sunday and my
amen.
Are you okay? Miss Amafu, Ghana for ya. Because Mr. Mafu, how on earth
asem no. Ena nipa dwene ho nti ase no.
How on earth? Set down a four. Hey, me see a three beer, me. What them bad son of us? Men are not having their Kasakata. Dama. Not having their Kasakata to the down for say. You need to come and see it. Mr. Mafu.
Asem no
See,
dey.
the whole Ghana is new.
Yeah.
Ghana is silent. Because of the new idea of a warrior. And the Ghana Sikajira, Naira was system. Ghana Sikajira, Naira was system. I could put back in Mr. Mafu.
Free.
Free photo. It means something you mean, young movie.
Well, o man no 2 minutes no some na wo.
That man is all right. Some of them are okay. Some of the
Yeah, highest position.
Banana tree.
Mahama pa ne bi Ghana konya under COVID asenka o man nka nka ba bia ne na mo de.
Me say ka you mu frank you mu ka you mu frank ayi Russia Ukraine war praba ye no na patro edu say ye bisa
Dabi.
Samu sinna na do ko suwa ni mu see people ko suwa ni and na patro and na this girl hey it's the more mu ye demonstration against Nana Adwapan. Me see na me ntia mu ka o ya me ntia mu ka no fight to stand from them na me from busu bi mu mam ene mahama bayaba na ma hunu e kwanya wode mu nam so awurade mama kuma wai pa taw woman na the way your man ko ne de bra mi hu asem kora enfri manu mumra na me fanto for mo ntama ni da we ya wo seto no because one shot no one no akopa no one can send bia then you pass out patro panini let me be some who say odjune and I said open the junama no and I say akonya no ofiso and will be in a day in crap ababon tena ebe kana asem mana ma
So no de wadi kan ka so timi nwene man ho.
oh Farade have mercy on us Farade boye why papa yesu boye na tika eka if as the kai Instagram time also omo kasa gani omo go mutumi nto aso
Ai wo.
Let say na omo mini Ghana wella e come to ma fu ko ko si Ghana just omo free say ye Ghana for ye jene ya jene no insist so it no Erade papa used to yes flow boy why 2028 who were in fact omo free say Ghana for ye as you say ya jene mo I was say ye
short memory.
Moyalia refrain.
Yeah.
And a some of kind of boy. Or what? If papa no one is right center of a papa to about the amount of papa or can't ask them on editorial. Mr. Mafu.
A better pass obi kan se ma temu die we fa na be sen die tira ko to abadi ama no.
Yeah. But yes, you want to share in free as a defending. I think we are not in social media and we could I am for no get your brilliant. Get on set Nanado, Astro Tech on any agenda one or who be able. When was that?
Like really?
What 24 hours market? How can a leader do that? Not a him fully be. I'm an appoint. I'm an able put on your man. 24 hours. You will not need a day to see 24 hours. Hey, you're here free. And that is the power will show you. So, no matter repeat you. Wait, bravo. Someone got you what you need to do. Not the sister. I am going to channel in my wife. Because net or be a thing was maybe correct. Because Mr. Mafu, Nipa ya wapa dada. A juma ba nipa mi ansane be ko meboa.
Yeah.
What's 24 hours economy?
Yeah.
24 hours economy. I done 24 hours market. Market here, no, yeah, Ghana market, no, the fun. No, or what it need be or teacher will be an oil day.
No,
coffee.
Yeah.
Ako ye and edges ni raho. It's me question me to start papa na kasa wo ye president not to Ghana me say. Excuse my language. Say ne yi drodina mahama to market ni bi so say ye ma me muda to gugu mo na. Na wa be fie between 7 to 8. Nani dinner near ready. I in the supper near ready. The summer for that manana. Very good because who for Diana and Mr. Diana pa until my toss and more. So, yeah, sister, say any yida of a it's the other thing or so for 24-hour market. Yeah, you said that market will never be exist. Not a form for living at that fragility. Not a stop tap and another do the see her. Agenda 111. Now, what you don't know we are here. The gentleman, you're not to me as how we are there.
Say in your hospital.
You what work? Would you Namali of minimum suffer coming this and one man something down to go? And then from the fear don't book a crowd or can't ask someone or be the car. And that is the empty material tap on the demo. Western Diamond.
I see.
Aye. So what's your say? It's your sister. And here now by your soap. I think you rip fear Jenny near the Apote Mahama dear. Any NDC. To see, I feel to see a Ghana for much money so. Much money so. When you buy a fire, what them service of Marco? They are not NDC for Nana Buya and NDC for himself, Papa, Papa.
Oh, no, when
What
you
the
buy.
manifesto or the ice cream crab and the manifesto.
Yeah.
I refer my course or Casa, or Bema ice cream, or Bema pizza, or Bema pizza. The most hated food that the children will be asking pizza.
And I said, I could have put a month for Cassie. I say,
What touch me, maybe do baby at the better because pizza you made 2 1 day. Me didn't when I feel like me crave for it. But say, what the chemi I mean now was a cry. Now, Obia Bekacho say, Obama pizza every day, yes, every week, beer. No one yet, Obama ice cream. The summer for no one to start to move.
I got an email for you and Pesini to Corona Woody, or Bishop Amount Pizza. I don't know if you never. Already.
Gustavo Mame, Mr. Mafu, Gustavo Mame, and then I approve
for so within a week by week. You did the best once a week, once every 2 weeks.
Na abia what more dwuma na wo feel lazy na wo pay heavy food bi no na wo de ba ko ahye yim no wadi na so wo be every day bia no na ma wa ma papa ya be da na me he adama esi dun ka tia ko gina platform so ka say mo ye funle bra funle so ye me sama fu ye de campaign na to me to say omu campaign omu ye for omu niema ni omu bibi omu ye nyina no na ento asum na so to Ghana for just because they hated MPP, just because they don't like Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. And me makuma chere ni say the komuma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia baya e wo musa ko komo de ne be fa tete mo na so Ghana be ko ni and Ghana be ko ni and Ghana aye and abrofo no every America lawyers no mo siri o
Almost the qua.
almost say mahama say hey na Ghana for here for na mo to aba what na do ye bibi o ni ayi MPP leaders no mo ye bibi a they start down to go through the book and say no mo the panels so wouldn't say
Yeah.
wouldn't say no ni abrofo ni ye bibi a o book mu one by one as no mo the panels so
Yeah.
mahama bibi obeye no one ne nkrofo hwehwem se one ne nkrofo hwehwem a na say wo so say wo stabilize Ghana city so se mo catch kasa ne say na wo tumi di sika dudu boy etumi hye Ghana city timu e ma o ma no esi atene amo tena ho calculate ye e kwanya Ghana fo be fa so akọ ye amo tena ho hwem say e kwon be ba Ghana anase Ghana fo ya no they still happy to do that. Now, $dollars, you know, ever since I'm not gonna for you. No, feeling that you're more than and now, I'm reading, or man, calculate, or man, nursery, or 15 years, just on person we Nana, do not buy anything, and no more yes, Mr. Mafu.
Say, Omo will say Dr. Bawumia Kasafa exchange rate. And you know, they want to do everything set 2028. I'm on the campaign. Into a month for my yeah.
Mr. Mafu, sincerely, I know 2028. Emla nani na Ghana ni hwe se Ghana ni be hwe no so no de abakwa koto aba
oh na muntu me 100 ma me muntu me 100 asempa na me
because bisane say dollar no do take fast no dollar
that be
dia otobo dia e wo chichirere odi dollar
that be
ene ejafo na no mutu wona no mutu anwa ni sudi ni ne eyi no ane no omufa dollar enka di mi ehwe se dollar abafo ene omo de kan
that be muntu me kan
because ne eya pro ena no mutu jomu wona no mudi because and this be akoso so mochi ena no mudi abro kontomle kwa na wo kota ye se dollar kotoro kontomle ye die na fichire omo se dollar kotoro bra what is that we be that esua ketia eni enyam na opia bogana krono oba besia ka oba de enka budaye abadaye ewo wani so statika oba jadifo a was statika na gwefie raswa memu na wo de ko akone mahama ne na sefo na ma statika lady eti wo free say America fo a wo mo share ya wo mo tumi di sadi na mtama kroba ye no mo jina hu
that be that omo jini kura
everything ankwano ma be jina Ghana I was saying John Dramani Muhammad T ewo ayi ya kanisa sa ayi we no na me te me masadi so na me sre na me wo me na say ankwano ma proper na wudie beka ankwano ma wo ni papa America
oh OSP elim no pa
aha you see a jaben and seven no all kano na Europe for na sa ade ni bi wo mo no mo sri kusi Besamapo, one of the Ghana pet and then Tiana Mahama. No, who cop by and what the summer? It's the same me because they said the name Tama cry and who fights America for no. Or my Shankra, I did prosecute said the name Tama cry.
Oh, we should pass extradition, yes, based on the
Yo,
judgment.
Besamapo. That's what you said. NDC, I tell you, no, NDC leaders, no, I'm going to Americans.
That be.
And then the stress said, Ghana, Apple, Shoe, Apple, the walk. Yeah, and safety jackets, and yet your papa is Ghana strip. Because Adami Beka will show you, say, so people, leaders, in the Ghana, the two carbon here, no one protect to me. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. A cry, set it apart, a leader, a book, a macron, poor Munyam. Can you Mahama bet not so warrior? Now, what about the next president and one of Papa we are tried and for trial? A bayer me, a bayer me, Yame, a bebusa Ghana from penny for. Yami bebusa John Dramani Mahama. The Yami bebusa every one you never acquire Mudu Ghana Namuso. Let me be safe. Over to me a fact. Police for Aqua MVP Nibifia Pachanama. We beside Samapo.
And then I said no.
Over to me, I'm not jelly, I'm with jelly chama, Jama, the Ghana Sikabe. Yes, sir. It's about what that is for Mujuna, and this is company for. No, Munimunian Fana Minimu Catano. And this is company for Munimunansa, Muna Minimu Catano. Near Mahama, any Ghana flooded to top walls to see a year. Mahama too, Nana to say, or the animals Mukabro, FCO, that they are there.
And you
The
must
fear what they are also the near from say. What would the other spear? Or would the pop or would the some not said enough come up with a drop or Ghana? You saw so not or what to me a journal. Yet to say, Chama won't to me somewhere any day. Yet sour. If more parts as a Chama won't to me. And two of you want one alone, Katana Sat, so no. What the Chama won't to me up. Not the number Tabakra or 5 minutes per day. Let down. Yami one more day.
Tiamuka. Simple.
Mr. Nafu, my Mr. Master, arrest my case.
That's
still a brain, Yamisha.
Yamisha was long count. Yamame Esther K. But the man at a firebrand. I was just be a boom. Yamame Monica so at or your fan the son call. Yamame, we are about Vivian Kuma. It is never late. What banner they are. See, if you go to it, the headmasters will go to the market and buy the goods themselves. Now, this president has no shame. How Monica Mwakwa? What to say?
Yes, I do more now, sir. Chairman, you are more medical.
I'm phoning at your soul. But you too.
I'm sending the family. Ghana, I teacher of I'm okay. As I did, I'm moving. I would have that for a left one. A dear Libamu, a dear Johnny had a song 1 year. I'm on Friday. I'm also here. I went to young. Yeah, I could father. And then, come on, we are not advice. I'm the Yamias saying, I'm upon a dear money and then any feeling. What kind of Aquacan now and this year. I'll be in an echo for them. I'll say, your mamma, a two your mamma and echo for you could get 8 years. I Ghana forward come your mamma. I live for Bina, Obiana, and all the and echo for them. In personal bonity. And the dear nearby, the Ghana, a kind of churches, a school for a kind of neck of airport and neck of father and someone. And we are slow, one my own way chapel. Moon can da, or no meal, Nanya and no man, not I a Ghana, said the I Ghana. No, that accurate 12 we are now 30 years, for at that time, and I could find the and I would not 30 years. Some of them. No one at 32 years, 35 years, and you're there to be aware. What would not think dear so? I can some dear woman and dear me at the two and I didn't know cover your mamma. Oh no, I'll pick a gun at the Padian in Allah, Yamania. Oh, no, me and Kwani is a new Ghana. Oh, Tinto, I did dear Ghana, the Padian. I didn't know. I'm a war and unti boy and so and then one of the gold bond. 18 kotoka. A Ghana, peg a Ghana is Kakotoka, the Mawat. And Nam Saka, which was no worse than it. No oba, and the bell wow. Mamma, I think ever and fear me. Eti wo boss na omo friend John Mahama and Miniam John Mahama and Miniam. Why no na ADDO Ghana Ejapade. President Bay na Odi Ghana Ejapade. I'm a Miniam John Mahama. And we are still Eye nyina yɛ te ase na yɛhuna na akufo ado so mfa so Ghanafoɔ anu ɔmo ho atikyafoɔ anu ɔmo ho nurses anu ɔmo ho asukuufoɔ anu ɔmo ho ahemfo na mo asɔre Ghana nyɛ ahemfofoɔ ne sɔre na akufo ado wu adeɛ oti ka kyerɛ hene sɛ ɔnsɔre and then the idea and the buyer I am promote the advance. A dear Nigana movie, yes. I can bet you about one and the boss and come start here, yeah. I'm only Ghana 2 days. I got about me other swap. And the Ghana, yes, yes. And then soon they fire you. Accident akɛseɛ brain ne bɛtu ana akɔ akɔkrahye sogyafoɔ kaa ne bɛtu ana akɔhwe wɔ ne nnipa a ɛwɔ mu nyinaa wu ɔman na asɔre aman so Ghana ntɔkwa akɛseɛ bɔko ntɔkwa ɛsɛ yɛ bawomia ne bawomia nte so deɛ ma so no me aba jo mama so be aba no so ya ba na so ya ba na se sie na nkwa mu eba nya nkwa se ina do kusa Bible si ni pa nya me ahira no ye mondi mboni ye mondi ya ana ku fa the na sma Ghana man President Bank on the new year for the other be ye twenty what say at the other no be tio President na ku fa the president na ke ya odia mu 30% ayi na adai ni yira jacket yo ba o yira jacket yo but mahama yiri jacket ya at by this time and this for una mo kai e ma ba o ya no na ku fa be yira kwa reject that man as so only mahama yiri jacket but see back at time dressing crowd dress and now one was semi Rasta. I mean, for
yeah, me da sema me nyame nka ho. Ye maame Monica e na yete ne nka no busua. Ono so a che na dwen se ewura na de adwuma obeye ye ne so bi e maada. Me yam se ya sebo. Mama wo maguni ho ani mase. Se de Oma amanfo gini di yesere na amanfo believe say nka obi a wadi president pen there ko be di president ya we were expecting say nka oba ya obey bi fufuro papa na guni ho ani masema he say omo amoto abama ndisi nyina obi a ewre aho na yesi afutu entumi nipa agese nsohwe say ya try ya so ahwe next time we through ha beto abapa abusia mahama say akromfo omo adiga na konye omo adiga na sikanye ode omo ho ache won so far as omo ya ndisi for there ontumi mfo omo nkoba bia nkoye omo hwe we ni asemeda ho na me dia me do besi a na ochina matumi asan ene wahia me den chia kese ba me Vivian kuma me nua agimandu a Ivan Sankama with Sonkofi Kwame Konto ena me nua ba adwo asewa Sanso na meden check se me nua ba na akua afro me maame Esther Kebari maame ya afrem poma me nua kwasi asamoa ene maame Monica me nua Tarata Sedu ena Erekedu nsianso me chiachia munya da munyina ase me de munyina abesia na ochina Nyankopɔ ya adoma ya san ahia biem na ansa na mekoro me de video wi amawa ahwe na ahwe tema ba bia yetoto nam echi nam etoma amanfo ewie ehofin video a me de bohoi se wani je ho so ochina me nye bibi mfa ho a ja comment or comment section ona ochina me melde app na me mekasa emfa ho be video we si na wantimi nkan bi ma na se ja makrao me din any Ras Media on Ras Media GH YouTube on YouTube Facebook and on TikTok makra mu nyina until we meet again adios
Ebi a ohwe sa video we free but ohwe hadin a enam no eda form awanse na guso ubepie ha so a enam no ya hyeda ye table anase ya bobi bi di ama no enam ni guso wanse na bia ni so aha so nam ne ahata of form aha so nam no eda chese ya hyeda dwene customer no ho enti aha de ekronjin ohwe a unhu awanse na bia wa ha ubepie ha so a ya hata nam no ewo gata so na wanse na guso de se wa ohwe no wanum ato tie me ye ma dwese nka me ni fish biem because de me ko hu ye no na nya nika but ene ye san bo edigo ram ewo Jamestown Fishing Harbour and the story is entirely different aha no omo dwene nipa ho
hwezuoni say na o say ye aha so mo ha no omo ye Ghana fo to bia betimi asua fi aha ye Jamestown Fishing Harbour and I say ana ye preach aha de sanitation nwa ra na me ko kire wade o sha hafi bi ani ha o it is a office enye possible a possible
Brother, for marketing. Onuba,
We are doing all things possible to make the place rise.
So guys, if you want to buy fish, this is Jamestown Fishing Harbour. And so far, this is the cleanest fishing market I have seen. I don't know for you, but what I say. This is what we were talking about from Temano. We should have something like this. We should think about what is their health state? What happens to them? Look at that. Clean. Or some they are there class form and other namnesses. So this is what we are talking about, basically.
You see, and you should say, and now we continue liga and your community. Your money or etiha. You the number banner and you bush of force with when you put your cigar, the work of your penisa. Yes, sure say, number bath be a penha. And if you want us a one or so, who buy your pipe near the hour. Yeah, they were now and yeah, if you don't have opportunity, I'm sure overcrowd baby. If you're having India gross hour.
And your penny made and when you watch with the amount of baby.
Who's I didn't if you yes, if you fear, who's a woman who are only ban over ya, a bit from your pumba cooper. Say, hey, I didn't say it here. Yeah, the neighbor who feel up, I mean, some be a soon. Yes, dear grow crowd. Dear Gokra, we are not playing here. Even you can go outside and check. We have people who clean the place. We have people who control tells you that if you throw one fish on the floor, you will be in trouble.
Yes, so you heard it right from the horse's own mouth. This is what you can do everywhere. You don't have to wait for government before you can keep your spaces clean. Clean place or clean market or clean school, it's not luxury.
Yes.
It's the basic necessities of life.
Yes.